Are you refuting po yung sinabi po ni Justice Chair Jervil nga Luistro na sapat po ang substance, sapat ang batayan? Kasi sabi nga niya, today is about justification. What do you think po? Sapat po ba talaga yung batayan? Was yesterday a day of justification?
Well, in the first place, no, nung tinatanong ni kinontest ni VP Sara, yung kanilang mga naging pahayag, particularly yung sa ultimate facts of the case, no, to merely rely on, for example, on Madriaga, I think it really shows double standards already. Bakit si Madriaga ay kayang pakinggan at kayang ipasok ng kanyang statements isang napakalaking proceeding na kagaya nito? Pero bakit yung 18 Marines na hindi man lamang nating mapakinggan man lang sa isang investigative panel yung kanilang saloobin? So I think this really reeks of double standards. So kung titingnan naman natin talaga yung substance, syempre from their perspective, they will say that it is sufficient in form because they're the ones pushing forth with the case. Definitely, they're going to say that it is indeed sufficient in form. And then wag na nating alisin dito yung angulo na medyo merong personal na sasabihin na natin hinanakit siguro si Congressman Luistro dahil nga dun sa binanggit ni VP Sara na may pagkakautang sa kanya na hindi pa binabayaran. I don't know exactly. No? So may mga may mga angulo.
Personal
pero
grudge.
May personal grudge. No? Pero maliwanag kasi yung hanay nitong Justice Committee, if you're going to take a look at their background, no? Very, very clear and glaring na talagang they really belong to the administration.
So, Prof, ito nga, for once and for all, do you agree po it is, in your opinion, sufficient in substance?
Well, for my take on this, no, I really think that it is not sufficient in substance to begin with, no, because primarily if they're still banking on the 125 million confidential funds, I think this has already been addressed a long time ago by COA, no, and I think if they're going to add more to this, I think it does not really merit. Ang sa akin kasi, it should not merit an impeachment proceeding anymore because some of these cases could actually be addressed using different legal means, no? Para na hindi na natin kakailanganin pang balubugin ang Kongreso at saka ang Senado with their legislative functions para lang bigyan ng pagkakataon ng isang impeachment complaint kagaya nito when in fact we are sabihin na nating emboldened to this problem that we have right now. Ang dami-dami nating kinakaharap, no, both locally and internationally. And pero ang focus ng Kongreso natin isa lang, impeachment lang. So I don't understand where that's coming from, really.
So